Ano, Miguel? Ano ba ang problema mo, Miguel?
Judge, hindi abogado ang asawa ko. Bakit hindi na lang isa sa mga female lawyers ang i-assign natin kay Attorney Espiritu?
You questioning my judgment?
No, Judge. Judge, never. I just... Gusto ko malaman kung saan kayo nanggagaling.
Look, wala namang problema doon sa mga female lawyers natin. They're still part of the team. What I'm trying to say is, gusto kong magkaroon ng non-lawyer partner itong si Attorney Abraham kapag humaharap siya sa publiko. I want the whole case to be more about the victim and less about the legal process. Who's the face of the foundation? Mercy, right? Malinis ang profile niya. Walang question doon. So, sino ang mag-iisip na mayroong hidden agenda? Unlike us. Can't you see it? And one more thing, Miguel. Yung tigil-tigilan mo yung kagigiri mo dyan kay Abra. Kala mo hindi ko napapansin. This is not about your rivalry. This is about our goals, our family's interest. Miguel, you've proven yourself to me. There's no question about that. I assure you, once na mapatalsik na natin si Governor Rodante, ikaw ang magiging kauna-unahang senior partner ng kumpanyang ito.
Carlo J. Caparas, lumuhod ka sa lupa. Weekdays sa Hapon Champion.